Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube tutorial. My name is Samson Abasiono, and in today's class I'm going to be showing you how to add an art image to your background. So welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're new to our channel, like our videos and drop a comment telling us the next video you would like to see. So let's get started. First of all, my picture is open and the first thing I want to do is duplicate my layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J on my keyboard. Then the next thing I want to do is select my image. I want to separate my image from the background. So I'm going to come down to my properties over here and click on select subject. So if you're using Photoshop 2020 and above, your Photoshop can do this. So you can see that what Photoshop has done, it has selected our image, but some part of this tool is missing. Right, I'm going to use my pen tool to zoom in by pressing Ctrl or Command and the plus sign to I'm using my pen to just add this part. So this, and I'm going to come here. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And I'm going to add, right click, add selection, and we are good. Command 0 on your keyboard to zoom out completely. So I'm going to duplicate this image. So I'm going to duplicate to make sure that only my image is selected, so you can see it's only my image without the background. So let's do this. So next thing I want to do is bring out my art image. I already have it opened, my Photoshop, photography preset. So I'm going to use this background and I'm going to drag and drop it. So you can download this from Google, you can download from Shutterstock, you can download from Freepik. Just search for art images. So I'm going to increase this way. Right, and the next thing I want to do is, first of all, change this into a smart object. It's already converted to a smart object. Right, so what I want to do is blur out my image. I'm going to go to my blur, filter blur, then Gaussian blur. I'm going to blur this to like, I don't want it to be too blurred out, so I'll leave it to like, I think 10 is okay. Then I'm going to change the blend mode over here from normal to overlay. Then the last thing I want to do is reduce the opacity of my background so it blends into the background very well. So I'm going to leave this like 30, and let me do 40. So I think I like this. This is good, right? So, and that's it, guys. That's how you can add image to your background. I'm going to do another sample so you can see. So let me drag another image. Let me use this. So what I'm going to do is just drag and drop, increase the size to fit the background, then filter, Gaussian blur, that's good. Then change the blend mode to overlay, and let's reduce this a bit. So don't forget to turn off your, I'm going to turn off the first one I used because it's messing the background up. Yeah, so this is good. Right, so we have this and we have this. So let me show you. So before and after, before and after, before and after. So that's it, guys. This is a very short tutorial, and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, comment in the comment section telling us what next you want us to do, and also our plugins, our overlays, our presets are in the description. So just click the link to go there and download and enjoy yourself. See you next time. Bye bye.